Right, good afternoon boys and girls. Well, it finally got here after a month from the United States. I don't do well with this thing about unboxing, but let's see what we got in Hawkmatic tools. These are quality tools. They're good. Take that out of there. Alright, nothing left in that. I might have to stop this. I know this lead will be wrong, and it is. It's alright, I've got another one. So I'll stop this and I'll get this out. Right, there it is in all its glory. Tipping tobacco in. So I'll go and get some tubes, a different lead, some tobacco. I'll set this up and I'll see what happens. So it's either going to be a success story or $1,000 thrown away. Well, it lives, it breathes, it moves. I don't know what I was doing wrong out there, but it's working in here for whatever reason. Got it set on 20. Had a This is brilliant. The thing is, it knows when it's got a jammed up tube, and it pushes it out of the way and gets another one in. So, has promise. I've got the tube filler set on 1, which is about right. It's the same as the Hawkmatic 3. Well, I'm jazzed. It's going to run out of tobacco here. There it is. Add tobacco to continue. So yeah, it's a winner, I think. Anyway, time will tell. We'll see how many we get done on this, and if it's reliable or not, I don't know. But other than a few hiccups at the start, this thing looks pretty darn good. It's fast. I mean, that just did 20 in probably a minute and a half. I'm not sure. I didn't time it, so if I get around to it, I'll get this filled up with tobacco and tubes, and we'll do a speed test. All right, that's the initial start of this.